Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our virtual YouTube class for February 2024. There are 3 new dies from our December release that are part of the required dies for this virtual class. In addition, there is a foundation die requirement, which is our fancy label accordion. That is not part of the bundle price. You would have to purchase that separately if you didn't already own it. It is a birthday-themed class, and the first project will combine the foundation die, the fancy label accordion, along with the birthday candle add-ons. This will be a 4-page project with a bit of a unique assembly for that final page that ends up making it a very good display piece. The papers for February are from Echo Park. The second card will be a big 5x7 card, and that's going to accommodate a tripled raising platform pop-up. So really impressive looking pop-up with 3 of those raising platform pop-ups, plus the mini gift bag used down here as a gift card holder, and that pops up as well. If you are interested in purchasing a kit for this class, go to our website, karenburniston.com, click on the Events tab, and there you will find a list of 4 stores that are making kits for this event. In addition, we will have a limited number of kits available on our website in mid-January. If you already own the required dies, there will be an option to get papers only. That still includes access to the prep work video and the PDF printable instructions. These YouTube virtual classes are completely self-paced. That includes the prep work and then the class day video. Now, the class day video will debut at a certain time, which in this case is February 3rd at 11 a.m. Central. There's no need to watch it at that time. It'll just be there whenever you're ready to make your projects.